Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to show you how to create a product feed with DataChamp. A product feed is primarily used to send or synchronize product data with external platforms or merchants, ensuring that prices and product information are always up to date. It's important to provide the product feed to your merchants as well, so they always have the latest prices and information. You can also set a schedule to keep the feed updated automatically. The product feed contains key information such as the title, ID, price, description, and availability. Now, to generate a product feed, start by clicking the New Report button and selecting Products as the report type. Then, add the columns Price, Inventory Quantity, and Availability to your report. Next, choose your storage settings by clicking Storage on the right and selecting DataChamp Feed. Once everything is set up, click Preview to check if everything looks correct. If all looks good, give your report a clear name, like Product Feed, save it, and click Run Now to generate the final results. You can also set a schedule and select the interval that works best for you, like hourly or daily, to continuously update the feed. After the feed is generated, simply copy the URL to your clipboard. You can share this link with your partners so they can access the file. And that's it. I hope this quick tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video.